Well, here's a belief that's going to upset a lot of people. I think if your offer is truly high ticket, funnels are probably hurting your sales in period 9, not helping you. And the higher the price, the worse the damage. Well, see, have you noticed that your funnel metrics looks fine, but high ticket deals still feel harder to close? Have you felt that strange drop in trust once buyers are pushed through the process? But let me share with you 3 reasons why you should watch this video to the end. First, funnels were built for scale, not for authority. Number 2, high-ticket buyers are now resisting being processed. Number 3, period 9 exposes where systems replace leadership. So what are you going to take away from watching these videos? 3 things. You'll understand why funnels conflicts with high-ticket decision-making in period 9. You'll see why automation can quietly erode trust. And you'll know what founders must rethink before adding more technology. And by the way, if your funnel looks good on paper but feels wrong in real conversations, do stay with me because there's a reason for that. Okay, so now let's talk about funnels. So what happens to funnels in period 9? You see, funnels were designed to reduce human involvement. That's their strength. No doubt, no question about it. But in period 9, that's also the weaknesses. You see, high-ticket buyers don't want to be moved along. They want to feel like they are dealing with a thinking human being. The moment a buyer feels processed, you know what? Trust drops. So why funnel convert worse at higher prices? Well, because price increases risk. And when risk goes up, buyers look for leadership, not efficiency. Automation signals distance, and distance creates doubt. So while funnels can still work at lower price points, they struggle when the decision feels personal and consequential. So what are some core mistakes the founders make? Well, founders see funnel drop-offs and think the solution is optimization. So I have to get better copy, more emails, stronger call to actions. But you know what? Optimization can't fix a trust gap. If a buyer doesn't feel your presence, no funnel trick will save it. So what must you do now? Well, as founder, you must stop treating high-ticket buyers like volume. Why? Because high-ticket sales are relational decisions, not transactional ones. So you must reclaim visible leadership in the sales process. Number 2, presence signals accountability, and accountability creates safety. And you must decide where systems support authority and where they dilute it, because not everything should scale. So what must you stop doing also? Well, stop forcing high-ticket buyers through rigid processes. Structure without flexibility feels controlling. Stop hiding behind dashboards and metrics. Numbers don't show hesitation or doubt. And also stop assuming automation equals professionalism. In period 9, it often signals avoidance. So here's the shift. Funnels optimize efficiency, high-ticket sales requires authority. And as price goes up, leadership matters more than systems. And if your funnel is doing the talking for you, well, you know what? Buyer will feel the distance and disengage you quietly. And if this explains why scaling feels harder the more premium your offer becomes, well, do pay attention. So follow my channel if you want to understand how selling really works in period 9. This cycle actually rewards presence over process. See you in my next video.